excited that I got my box. Okay, this is how it's gonna go. I've already opened it and I went through it a little bit, and it has a lot of really good clothing. I mean, obviously, I'm gonna go through it, like each one by one, to see if it has like rips and stains and stuff like that. So I won't be listing those up. I'll probably be donating those or giving them away or something like that. I mean, I'm not gonna sell anything that's not wearable. What I did see is that it has, I think it was four gorgeous jackets, those long ones with hoodies. I mean, I think two of them had hoodies, the other ones didn't, but they're nice. But anyways, I'm still thinking about it. It's because it's a lot of clothing. When I was thinking of washing them and then listing them up, but I don't know. It's because it's a lot. What do you guys think? Should I wash them or should I just leave them like that? Anyways, I'm going to go through every single one of them just to make sure they're okay. And then I'm going to start listing them. If I can't do this tonight to show you guys what came in, I'll probably do that tomorrow morning. And then I'll start listing them on Poshmark. They're going to be on Poshmark, okay? So I'm just going to give it a go and just do everything. New, meaning boutique items, and pre-loved, meaning secondhand. They're going to be on Poshmark, okay? So all this box that I got, it's all Vince Camuto. I'm going to make sure there's some, I even saw some of them, it has the tags. So it's like new with tags, like they're not even used. So, okay. And yes, I saw some items there that I'm like, I want to keep these, but no, okay. I know I have to sell these. But anyways, I'll probably do the unboxing later on if I can. I mean, like I said, I opened the box because I got so excited. I just wanted to see all the stuff that I got. They're really nice. I mean, a couple of items there, here and there, that they were they're not ugly, as in, they're stained or whatever. No. Están bonitos, están chingones, pero, I don't know. But anyways, I'm just going to list them. I'm just going to see what happens. And I will show you guys one by one before I list them on Poshmark. Okay? So if you guys want to see if you like something from what I'm showing, you know where to get it. It's going to be on Poshmark, okay? And, well, I guess that's it. I'll let you guys go, and I'll see you guys later.